Hi, so I finally got around to this film in time. I shared my thoughts on it. Mrs. The one prefix that completely changes the way the world looks at you. Suddenly, the expectations skyrocket, the Sanskari Bahu version kicks in, and the unsuspecting Mrs. So and so has to auto tune herself to a badly brought up world. It's like a hamster on a wheel, it never stops. Directed by Aarti Kadav and starring the talented Sanya Malhotra, ever since it released, Mrs. has been the hot topic of तू तू मैं नसीते सलाहें, पैट्रियार्की मैट्रियार्की, इसकी यहाँ की उसकी वहाँ की डिबेट. अच्छा है, बात करना अच्छा है, पर बात को समझना और उस पर अमल करना और भी अच्छा है. Yes, it's kicked quite the hornet's nest, so much so that a men's based organization is calling out the film for its toxic femininity. भाई अकेली औरतें ही नहीं सताई हुई. आई हैव विटनेस्ड एक्सट्रीमली सताए हुए मर्द टू. मर्द को भी दर्द होता है. बट लेट्स गेट बैक टू द मेन मुद्दा, द फिल्म. The story of Richa, a doe-eyed dancer with dreams who is married into a conventional conservative family, who with each passing day finds herself suffocated in an environment that demands and commands her. रोटी नहीं रिचा फुल्का, अजवैन वाला पानी रिचा पेट साफ रखता है. पुलाव नहीं प्यार से बना लेयर बाय लेयर बिरयानी रिचा. मिक्सी नहीं सिलवट्टा रिचा. डांस नहीं घर को देखो रिचा. नौकरी नहीं बच्चे करो रिचा, वगैरह वगैरह. Like most girls, a submissive Richa brought up on the Sarvgun Sampan good girl values that qualifies the fair and lovely matrimonial ad runs around. With her mother-in-law gone to look after her pregnant sister-in-law, Richa finds herself pushed and ordered around by quite politely by her entitled husband and even more entitled rigid father-in-law. By God, Kamaljeet really had us pulling daggers out. His acting was so good that he actually got on our nerves. And I'm saying this because I have seen Buzurg who can lord over till the cows come flying home. With a doctor husband, that to a lady's doctor, a gynac, you'd expect some modicum of decency and empathy. But it's like father like son attitude. Few months into the marriage, and you can see Richa fading. The light in her eyes dims, her glow goes away, her hair tied in a tight bun, her smile is missing, her nails chipped, her nail polish smudged. You can almost smell the lasan pyaz on her, feel her disgust, her pain, her disappointment, her seething anger. It's a pressure cooker situation, boiling, simmering, the leaky water pipeline adding fuel to fire till she bursts. जोर का झटका जोर से ही लगता है. Mrs. gives you a reality check. If you want an even more raw and real jolt, then I'd strongly recommend you watch the original, the 2021 Malayalam film The Great Indian Kitchen by Geo Baby. As a remake in a more universal language, Hindi, Mrs. surely has the advantage of reach and appeal, and hence the massive ripple effect. I feel the film is neither an attack nor a blame game. It's simply a presentation of facts, a tad amplified and exaggerated, but facts nonetheless. I say this because I know friends, women who are yet to take time out from their domesticities, chores, mommy brain, work fatigue to catch a breath and watch Mrs. इसमें क्या नया है short of friends sarcastically? Yes, as women we all deal with this on a daily basis. कुछ कम कुछ ज़्यादा. जिसके पास husbands नहीं होते उनके पास good luck नहीं होता. ये तो रोज़ का काम है, adjust करो. The sexiest smell is of the kitchen. जाओ भाई के लिए पानी ला दो, गुस्सा थूक दो, माफ़ी मांगो. Like the quips in the film, it's there. The Mrs. Drama runs daily. In melodramatic shows, in our families where stuck-up relatives expect the kudi to touch their feet and make the tea. Who cares if she's prepping for an exam or tired from office work or just reached home? And khuda na khasta, she fails in her designated duties. Pat comes the taunt. माँ ने कुछ नहीं सिखाया क्या? The irony is कि औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन है. Women perpetuate this social conditioning and it's world over. Time nikalo, watch the reels on social media and there is a deluge of let's clean the house with me. Women in an endless loop of babies, homes, cooking, washing, dishes, laundry, etc. Now in this film, had the mother-in-law not raised another spoiled brat like her own dear husband, Richa would have probably survived the marriage. I've always viewed marriage as the best-selling propagandist movement of a society. Get two unsuspecting people married and trap them in a lifetime of commitments. one loses the entire idea and purpose of a marriage. It's a contract, a partnership between two consenting adults who really need to snap the parental umbilical cord and start their own journey, which demands mutual love and respect, loads of compromise, patience, and tolerance. We are still battling जात पात के issues, the period untouchability, सिलवट्टे पर बनाई चटनियाँ, the perfect recipe for shikanji, the difference between a pulao and biryani. If you are still not getting the point, then why not watch the Share the Load campaign? Share the load. बस इतनी सी बात है. Watch the films, both Hindi and Malayali. Watch because the women in your house are not glorified maids or housekeepers. Watch because we want a generation of emotionally sound men and financially independent women. Did you know that Harman Baweja is the screenplay co-writer and one of the producers of the film? Watch and learn. Wait for our next review. Till then, have fun, enjoy, tata.